What is good, YouTube? This is not your average sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey, back with another review. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure to subscribe down below and turn on your notifications so that you will receive an alert whenever I drop a new video. But without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into today's review. These came out in early November. I was lucky enough to get these for Christmas from my wife, as I had my eyes on these for quite a while. Without any further delay, the shoe is the Jordan 1 High OG Paris Saint-Germain. The official colorway for these is black and challenge red. I did get these in a size 9 as I have been wearing these in the wintertime out here in Cincinnati. We've had some snow the last couple of weeks and these shoes have been great in the snow, and I'll get into more details about that here in a second. So we'll go ahead and get into the box here. As you can see, I already do have these laced up. As I mentioned, I have been wearing these. My wife did get these for me. She got them from StockX. They retailed for $160, and I think she told me she got these for around $145 or so, which was another steal. I've been lucky enough to get a lot of good shoes on below retail from StockX. Here you have it, the Jordan 1 PSG's OG High. They did come with an extra set of red laces. I think I'm going to keep the black ones in the shoe. I do like how clean the silhouette looks. As far as some of the details about the shoe, they are not leather like you would typically see on your normal Jordan 1s. They are in a vinyl or a nylon type material, which is pretty waterproof. The swoosh is in a leather. It doesn't feel like it's the greatest quality of leather. The wing logo up here is also in leather. Some more details about the shoe. It is an all black upper with a white midsole. You do have this red, white, and black patch right there. And you have a black outsole, which I think is also great for the wintertime. You got some more details about the shoe. For the label here, you do again have that red, black, and white logo right there with Nike Air. And on the back, you have the Paris Saint-Germain logo. Another nice touch for the shoe is in these black laces that they came with, you do have a red Jumpman that is on the silver lace tips right there, which is another reason why I plan to leave these laces in the shoes. I do like that touch. The red laces do not have that detail on them. And as you can see there on the insole, you have the phrase "C'est Paris." Not quite sure what that means, but I can find out for you guys. Leave it in the comments, or if you do know, let me know down below in the comments. As I mentioned earlier, I have been wearing these a lot in the wintertime out here in Cincinnati. We've had a lot of rain and some snow the last couple weeks, and as you can see, the shoes still look really good. They don't crease as much as you would see it in leather when they get wet because of the material. They are also very, very warm, which has been a really nice touch. Even though they're not leather, the inside feels like they might be a little bit more padded from this material. I think that's been a really good thing to have for the wintertime out here. Alright, now that we got those details out the way, let's go ahead and get these guys laced up and get you guys some shots of them on feet. Well, thank you guys again for tuning in to today's review. Again, this is the Jordan 1 OG High Paris Saint-Germain or Jordan 1 PSG. These dropped on November 6th for a retail price of $160, and you can still get these on StockX for well below retail. They probably might be on sale with some other retailers as well. As always, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you like the video. Also, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these PSGs, why they were so slept on, or if you are going to pick these up for yourself. Again, this is not your average sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey. Ramsey. Make sure that you subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys on my next review. Peace.